What is up, trappers? Check it out. We are not live in this video. This one is pre-recorded and uploaded. But anyway, guys, MyCru are having two car shows on the 7th and the 21st. And I know the one on the 21st is just going to be off the hook, like a blowout. They've got all kinds of awards made up. Subla Graphics, they've made awards and plaques and things like that for everybody. There's going to be food, man. There's all kinds of stuff, guys, and it's really going to be awesome. And this weekend's going to be cool too, and that's up at Penguin Point. But I don't really know all the specifics and all the details for all that kind of stuff, guys. Man, look at the trap star back there. I love that thing. But I don't really know all the details. So I want to get up to Sweet's Mobile Mechanic in Osceola tonight, guys. So I would love if all the sticker guys from MyCru would come out so we could get those in the backdrop of the promo video. And I'd like to get Tim and everybody up to like Corey and the guys like that, and just get them all to explain really what's going on in good detail and get a real good promo video to really support what you guys are doing in your cause there. I really love it. I really don't want to miss it. Like I know I'm not really part of MyCru, but I love being a part of what you guys are doing, and I love promoting you guys. I really think it's great, and I want to make sure that we're out there, and I want to make sure that you guys have a good turnout. So I'm trying to do everything I can to promote MyCru and the upcoming meets or the car shows. So guys, if you could come out and see us tonight in Osceola to help us out with the video and even ideas on what would make the video cool. But I'd like to get maybe all the MyCru sticker cars lined up so you can see all the stickers, and you know, we'll stand in front of them and explain what's going on. That would be really awesome, guys. But please come out, help us out, man. Trap My Ride, Subla Graphics, man, they help everybody out. Mike Johnson is awesome, man. He's helped Trap My Ride, MyCru, those guys. So come support him. Sweet's Mobile Mechanics, man, the guy, he's given everybody a place to hang out and everything. So come up, support him and your own club, you know, like everybody says, show some unity. Come out, support a little bit. I know everybody is hard to clear, you know, your calendar for all the little events, but guys, these are big events. So, you know, really rep the club and come out and show out and really show everybody what MyCru has done this summer. And that is a lot of what's going to go on there down in the show. It's really going to cause a stir and a buzz and shake things up and show everybody that, you know, this is a real club and they're not fooling around. Like, they're here, they're organized, they're new, they're recruiting. So if you have a cool car and you're cool and you want to hang out and you have skills like that, you know, it's going to bring those people in. So let's do the best we can to have a good turnout to both of those events, guys. So I want to shoot a promo up at Sweets, and if you guys could come up and join us and help have a great turnout, that would be awesome. Tim and Corey, I want to talk to you guys. Everybody else that's taking care of the MyCru and Night Therapy, Eli, and you guys, you know, that come out and hang out. Everybody, come see us, man. I want you up there. It'd be great. But that's what it is, guys. That's what we're doing. I gotta put the fenders in the light still on the Trap Star, guys, and I just been sitting here in the mini truck having my coffee, kind of just plotting around today. But that's what we're up to. So hopefully, guys, we'll see everybody up at Sweet's Mobile Mechanics tonight in Osceola. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Keep on trapping.